2019 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, compass, trip computer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.